The concept of man and woman is not absolute, is what the Supreme Court has told the centre in its response to its objections against same-sex marriages. Now, Ajit Tushar Mehta actually was arguing that the Special Marriages Act, the intent has been for the relationship between a biological male and a biological female. To which Chief Justice Chandrachud responded by saying, it's not the question of what your genitals are. It's far more complex, that's the point. So even when Special Marriage Act says man and woman, the very notion of a man and a woman is not an absolute based on genitals. The centre earlier opposed the Supreme Court hearing of requests seeking legal sanction to same-sex marriages, stating that the Parliament is the only forum that can decide on the creation of a new social relationship. Petitioners, meanwhile, have sought changes to the Special Marriage Act to replace man and woman with the word spouse.
To lead a life to our fullest extent with dignity, privacy in our home, and, my lord, without taint or stigma in public places. And therefore we cherish and desire the same institution between two people as is available to the others, which is, my lord, the concept of marriage, the concept of family, because marriage and family is respected in our society. So there is no reason why, once our rights are identical and same as held by your lordships, my lord. And that has been the development, my lord, in the US and other nations. I have made a one-page chart which I will show to your lordship. Therefore, my lord, we seek a declaration, because we have to be concrete. What do we want from the court? We seek a declaration that we have a right to, my lord, get married. That right, my lord, will be recognized by the state and would be registrable under the Special Marriage Act.
Marriage is not only a question of dignity, as if that were not enough. It is also a bouquet of rights that LGBTQ people are being denied post-Johar. Right? Those rights are simple things. Bank account, life insurance, medical insurance. I, for instance, frankly...
rental accommodation.
I cannot buy SCBA medical insurance.
Citizenship.
I am a member of the SCBA bar. I cannot buy my family medical insurance from the SCBA. So this is the reality of how rights are exercised. Rights are exercised when you are able to protect your relationships. One facet of that right is a constitutional value of dignity, equality, fraternity. The other facet of that rights is the day-to-day business of life.